This is a Revox B77 that I'll be trying to restore. It is so nasty. It looked like it was in a flood or something. It couldn't be so nasty. I've never seen anything like this. I pulled off the back and there was tons of cobwebs and all kind of debris in the back of this thing. Just look at it. Look at the wire. It looks whitish gunk. I mean, it's just nasty. Look down here. Anyway, this is a real good DIY project. So I'll be trying to restore this thing. Man, it's so nasty. I pulled off the back, washed the case off. So much nastiness on it. And they're just nasty. Look there. Whoa. This thing is. Oh. Look at the transport board. Nasty. Look at the. Whoa. I've never seen anything like this. I didn't even try to turn this thing on because I'm afraid it'd explode on me. So what I'm going to do is give it a proper cleaning before I even try to turn this thing on. Wow. Anyway, like I said, this will be a real good project. So as soon as I find out what's going on with it electronically, then I'll definitely do a recap. Definitely do a recap on this thing. I don't see anything that's in real good shape, really. The edges rusty. I don't know. Okay. I won't make any judgment until I turn this thing on and see if it powers up or anything. Okay, YouTube.